Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wish Infinite. In this video, I will talk about ternary operator in Java. So ternary operator is a shorthand for if else. Let's see how we can use this ternary operator. Let me create one file. So new Java class, ternary operator, hit enter, putting main method here, psvm or main also if you will write, and if you will hit enter, it will give us public static void main block, and here we will put our code. So we just saw that this ternary operator is shorthand for if else. Let's see how we can use it. So previously, for understanding this if else condition, we took the example that if the age is greater than 18, then it should print you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, else it should print that you are not eligible to vote. Let's take the same example, and this time we would be using ternary operator. Here I will give int age equals to 20. So this is if else statement which we need to provide just to check this condition, and then on the basis of this condition it will execute the code of the if block or the else block. And now we will use ternary operator to do the same. So here the syntax of the ternary operator is like this. We need to first provide the condition, and if this condition is true, so for that we need to provide question mark here. So if this condition is true, then after question mark whatever the expression we provide will come into picture. So here this is the true part. If this condition is true, then this part will come into picture. Else, for the else portion, first we need to provide this colon, and then we need to provide the false part. So if this condition is true, then this part would be applicable, else this part would be applicable, which is false part. And now we need to save this value inside one variable. So result equals to, if this condition is true, the value of result would be this true part's value, else its value would be this false part's value. Just to explain you, I have written it like this. Let's see the actual practical example. Now here first we need to provide the condition. So with the if statement we provided the condition like this: age is greater than equals to 18. Here if we want to provide the condition, so first I will put the parenthesis, and in between I will put that condition: age greater than equals to 18. And if this condition is true, so for that we need to put question mark, and if this condition is true, let's put this string: you are eligible to vote. Then we need to put colon, and then the false part, that you are not eligible to vote. And now we need to save the value inside this result variable, right? Any variable name you can give. So here I will give data type as string, then result equals to, and at the end don't forget to put this semicolon. So now if this condition is true, the result value would be you are eligible to vote, and if this condition is false, the result value would be you are not eligible to vote. Now we can simply print this value. So system.out.println, and here I will print value of result. So now we are able to convert this if else statement into this single line, and this ternary operator would be more useful for such simple cases. And if the conditions are more complex, in that case you will have to go for the if else if statement or the switch statement. Let me comment out this particular portion. Now I'm giving age as 20. So in that case this condition will be true, question mark, this true part will get executed, and result would be you are eligible to vote, and that value will get printed. Let me start the execution. Now see, you are eligible to vote is getting printed. Now let me change the value to 11, and this time this condition would be false, and this false part will get executed. So the value of the result would be you are not eligible to vote, and the same will get printed here. See, it got printed. And it is not necessary that you'll have to put this string here only. If you want to be the true part as number or the boolean, you can put any data type in between, and that value will get saved inside the variable on the basis of this condition, and then we can use this value of the ternary operator which got saved inside it. And for the interview purpose, you should be remembering this syntax, and if interviewer asks about the ternary operator, you can explain the same which we discussed with the example. And that's it for this particular video. Let me give you the quick recap. So here we saw that we can use ternary operator as the shorthand for the if-else statement. And for the ternary operator, the syntax is like this. First we need to put the condition, then question mark, and after the question mark, true part would be there. After true part, we need to put the colon, and then the false part we need to put. And we can save these values into one variable like this, and then we can use this variable for further reference. And that's it from my end. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto the second card to access the whole Java tutorial playlist, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.